Welcome to the part 2 of split testing and tracking, and here we are going to use tracking 202. And as I said, I use 7 search tracking system and it's working fine with me. With the sub IDs it show me the keywords that are converting for me. But if you would like to use another search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing or anything else, so you can use this system if you want. So just go ahead and create an account. You can see here that I have already created one for this video, and you just put your information there and you check this box if you want to receive the newsletter from them, and you can apply to A1 network at the same time if you want to do that. So just create your account and we are going to log in and see how the system looks like from the inside. So we are here in the tracking 202 and we are going to create our first campaign, and what we need to do is to set a tracking 202 PPC accounts or PPC campaigns. So we are going to create a new PPC campaign. So you type here which PPC network you are using, and I'm going to type here 7 search and add this network. Okay, now you can see that the network is added here, and I'm going to go to step 2. Here we are going to type the name of our network, and I'm going to use Max Bounty as my network. I will add it here, so it will appear here at the side, and then go to step 3, and here we need to set our network and the campaign name. As you remember, we have been using your free survey, and here we need to put our affiliate link, but without the sub ID. We are going to use a sub ID but at the same time we are not going to write it here. So let's get our link from the network we are going to track from. So here I am back to the offer page on Max Bounty, and I'm going to get the link of the sub ID. So I'm going just to type here XXX, and I have the search creative and get tracking code. So the most important part for me is the part before the equal. As you can see, this one here is the sub ID tracking for Max Bounty, and it's different from network to another network, so you need to check which sub ID your network have, but you need the part after the equal here. So I'm going to copy it and go back to my tracking 2.2, and I'm going to paste the link here. As you can see, it show sub ID equal sub ID here, so I'm not going to set any sub ID there like we did in the 7 search with the keywords. So it's going to report for us, and the payout of the offer is 2.60, and the clocking will be on by default, and that will report to the network which keyword we are using. And I'm going to add the campaign now. Okay, it's added here. Then I am going to go to step 7, and I am going to use the method of the promotion direct linking. I will keep it here, and the affiliate network Max Bounty, the campaign your free survey, and the method of the promotion is direct linking. So here again the clocking we have it on by default, and the PPC network is 7 search. I am going to bid with 10 cents for this campaign, and I will generate tracking link. Here is the link. I'm going to take it and just copy it and paste to 7 search. So we are now in the campaign page of the 7 search, and I'm going to edit my campaign to add the link that we got from tracking 202, and I'm going to paste it here. And as you can see, I'm not going to use anything after the equal there, and I will just save, and I will give it some time and check it again later. After a few hours, I am going to check back and see what is going on Max Bounty, and I'm going to go to the reports first, and then I will click here sub ID report, and we'll check the report. And as you can see here, we have some numbers here, as you can see, and that's what we have received from our tracking 202. So I need to take these numbers from here and check them with the tracking system 202 to see which keywords some converted, or which keywords some being clicked for these numbers here. So we go back to our tracking 202 and check there. So back to tracking 202, and I am going to put the sub IDs here. I need to scroll down and click update sub IDs. As you can see here, I'm going to paste the numbers that I have received to this box here, and then click on update sub IDs. Okay, the sub IDs was successfully updated, and I am going to check the campaign overview. Okay, by checking the campaign overview, you are going to receive some data here that will tell you which keywords that have been clicked and if they are converted or not. So as I said before, so I am not big fan of tracking 202. It's a good tool, but if you are using 7 search as your PPC network, so you can stick to the sub ID method, and you are going to find your keywords there and everything else.